Hi, welcome back for another Message Center update. Today we're going to be talking about a change coming to your Power Automate service. It's basically your support, how you get support in Power Automate. This is relating to Message Center ID 238903, and this is for general information. Basically what Microsoft's doing is Microsoft is clarifying and hardening down on the type of support that you can get from the Power Automate team. So up until now, Microsoft hasn't really forced down who can get advisory support from the Power Automate team, but only certain licenses actually entitle you to get that advisory support from Microsoft. So this is customers with a professional, direct or unified support plan, so premium support plans. So they're the only users that are supposed to be able to get advisory type support tickets. So previously, Microsoft has not differentiated between technical and advisory support in the Power Platform Admin Center, and they allowed admins and their users to file advisory tickets without checking their support plans. However, going forward, Microsoft is going to be checking the support plans to make sure they're only providing support to those users who are actually paying for that level of support. So definitely something to be aware of. If you do actually file support tickets for advisory services and you're not on their support plans, just be aware that going forward from, I do have a date in there, probably from March, I would imagine, you may start to see that you're not going to get that level of support anymore. And if that's something that is useful to you, you might want to go and look at your support packages and maybe upgrade to some professional or premium support services for that. So definitely something to be aware of if you do make use of that service. Hopefully no one's too badly affected by it, but I do understand why Microsoft has to do this. I imagine it's a large cost that they take on for support if lots of people using Power Automate are requesting that advisory support. So I understand why they're doing it. It's a shame that they haven't differentiated in the past, so some people are going to see a level of service taken away. But you bear in mind, it's a service that you weren't necessarily entitled to in the first place. Microsoft just was providing it. Okay, so quick update. Hopefully that's useful to you, and I look forward to seeing you next time.